Hey, what's going on, everybody? Ryan Huggins here, and today we are going to talk about intros and end screens for your YouTube videos. So stay tuned for the very end. We're also going to have a bonus for you. All right, hey there, everybody. Ryan Huggins here, and we're going to jump right into designing your intro video and also your end screen video. So, very first thing we're going to talk about, this is the website Placeit. Placeit's really cool if you do any kind of business that needs a logo, or if you are into the selling clothing type of stuff. You can do like your Teespring clothes. You can actually upload your photos directly to an image. But what we're going to talk about today is we're going to go, this is, by the way, placeit.net. You can go ahead and sign up for placeit.net. It is free, or you can upgrade. I actually upgraded to the year-long program. So what we're going to do first and foremost, we're going to go into videos. All right. So when we click on videos, this is going to give us a lot of options under videos. But what we're looking for is going to be, the very first thing we're going to do is we'll do an intro. All right, so for our intro video, we just clicked on the intro tab there at the top. And this is the intro maker for your YouTube channel. It's very, very simple. What's really cool about this is we're going to go over here to the side, and there's all these different things that you can choose from, as you can see here, that are templates. Okay. I just simply went down here to the bottom and clicked on YouTube templates. Did that pull up? There we go. My internet's working a little bit slow right now. We want YouTube templates. Oh, that's going to be under Valentine's. All right, so here's all the different YouTube templates we get to choose from, okay? Now what's going to do is a logo reveal with futuristic graphics. You can actually change some things in there. What we are going to go with, we're just going to scroll through, we're going to find something that we like. Let's go to the next page. This is one I'm currently using. Traffic alert. Trying to look for something cool that you guys would all like. Like that one's pretty rad, right? So we're going to select this one. And with this one, this is going to allow you to make a couple of adjustments here as well. You can actually change the speed at which the logo appears to 0.5, a 1, or a 1.5. You can also go over here to the different designs and change the background altogether. And you can see all these different ones. And then once it's loaded, it's getting the preview ready, you'll be able to click preview. Now up here, you'll notice it says free using your subscription. For you, it will have a price for each individual download that you do, or sometimes they'll also let you upload it and it'll just have their logo here that says Placeit. All right, so just keep that in mind. Now, we're going to go ahead and hit a refresh. So that's all that one does, and this one's only 3 seconds, so I'm not really digging this one. So we're going to go back. That one was more of a 5-second. And just go back to intros. Again, scroll down to YouTube templates. And let's see here. That one's kind of cool. Whoa. That one's pretty cool. Alright, so we'll pick this one because that one's pretty cool. Okay, so here you're going to be able to go here and type in something different, okay? So right here, you're going to be able to type in your website. So for example, www.winwithryan.com. And if you don't know how to buy a domain name, you can buy a domain name and forward the traffic. So you can Google search that. In fact, I'll have a video down below. You can check that out on how to use domains and forward them to your site. Okay, so we're going to go here. This one does also have some sound, so let's go ahead and now that it's got that in there. Also, the other thing you're going to do is you're going to upload your logo. Now I have a logo already, so we're going to go here to, let's see here, logo right there, boom. And we're going to go ahead and crop that so it's going to be that size, and it's downloading now, as you can see. Another cool thing, you can change all the colors and everything in there. So now let's go ahead, and once this is uploaded, we're going to preview our video. It's taking a little bit of time here to upload. There are different designs that you can use in the background as well. Again, you can change the times. You can even change the font for when your website pops up under your video. There we go. Boom. So there's your intro. Now, when you're doing an intro for your video, by the way, you're going to want to have yourself talking on the video. Then, have yourself introduce the video. Hey, this video is going to be about intro screens and outro videos. Just like this video had in the very beginning of it, you want to make sure you say something like that, so that way it hooks the viewer, the watcher, right away when they're going to get started with your video. Because remember, you've got to have an elevator pitch, 3 to 6 second reason that they are going to stay on your video and watch the whole thing through. So now that we've got that done, all we will do is simply click download and download for free. You can also get free watermarked low-res video for those of you that don't have an account with this. Again, like I said, it is free. So we're going to go ahead and download that. Now also, you notice in this video I did upload this image, was my logo. So what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to show you how to make a logo in here as well. And that is also going to be on the same website, Placeit. Okay, so now that we've got that taken care of, it's downloading up here for us. We're going to go to our YouTube in card now. All on the same site, Placeit, under videos, YouTube in cards. Whoa, where did that go? Videos, there we go, in cards. All right, so now what we do is we simply go through here and find one that we are interested in. So at the very end of your video, there's a thing called an end card. If you don't know what that is, do a video search on end cards. But I'm just going to show you how to put in something in your video that is better looking, and it doesn't have this circle and square over your actual video. This will play after your actual video and give them time to subscribe to your channel or click on your next video. All right, because remember, it's all about watch time. We want to keep people on your channel. Now, when I do these, I only do my subscribe and one video box. There is options for multiple video boxes in that, but we are going to do just one circle. Look at this one's pretty cool. So we're going to click on this one here. All right, so in here, it's going to give you a couple of options. You're going to, again, have the boxes, okay? And that's going to be where you place your end screen from YouTube into these boxes. It does also have the option to put in some text here, where this one says latest video. You can text it to say whatever you want, and that's going to be right here where it says latest video. This other part says thank you for watching. That is what pops up over here in this corner, and then this text right here will actually be under this box, and we'll put subscribe. And you can put whatever you like there. It is completely up to you. You can turn text outlines on and off, boxes on and off, playback speed, all of that good stuff. Wait a minute, what did that do? Oh, that added a second box. So we don't want that second box actually. So we're going to leave that one empty because I don't use that on my videos currently. All right, cool. So now this is all set up. Once we get this mocked up, preview. Here we go. So we're going to go ahead and preview this video. And again, you can completely edit anything and everything for your style. You can even change the colors. You can change the different backgrounds on all of the different videos there. I'm just trying to keep this very simple for this video. Uploading here. And you'll notice up here it says processing finished. Click here to download. So I'm going to go ahead and download this. And that's downloading the intro. And that's what will play at the end of your video. So that's really cool there. You can also add a second one if you wanted it to be longer. But that is that. So now you've got a, we're going to go ahead and download this. Now you have and you can also get the free watermarked if you don't have an account here. But now you have an intro to your video and you have the exit to your video, the outro video, which is important. Now I did want to also take you up here while we're waiting and look at some logo options in this website, placeit.net. You can check this out. So type in your brand name, right? So again, mine is Win with Ryan. So we'll do Win with Ryan as my brand name. My industry, let's talk about industry here. I'm in the work from home, education, technology, travel, wellness. I'm a YouTuber, definitely all of those things. But what we'll do is we will put in consulting because we do consult people on business, right? How to run a business. So let's talk about consulting here. And boom, this is going to give me some mock-ups already for logos. So for those of you that don't have a logo yet, boom. Now you know how to generate a logo. And you can also go in here. Let's just say this one's pretty cool, right? Ooh, I like it, right? Win with Ryan with the lion. This one's cool. All right, so we'll just go Win with Ryan. We'll just select this for the ease of the video. And so Win with Ryan, bold, financial, motivational coach. Sounds good, looks good. Could use this, but when you actually go through and make your logo, spend some time, figure it out, do it exactly as you want the design to be by modifying all, like you can select this button instead of that button, it changes it. You can select this instead of that, it changes it, and you'll see the visual effect that it makes. Once you've got that, you'll then be able to download this free using my subscription, and I will just select that. But that is about it. So now you have a logo for your business, you have an intro for your business, and you have an exit screen for your business. Now the question is, well, I know how to put together a great YouTube video, but what do I want to promote, right? So you might be able to be a content creator, but what is your offer? What is it that you offer? And so what I'm going to show you as a bonus is, let's go to winwithryan.com and winwithryan.com. Sorry about that. I was Google searching. I want to go to the actual website here. And for your bonus, you have been pre-approved. Now what you'll want to do is scroll down, create your free account, get your free Visa Business Black Card instantly with $1 to start making sales online. Now what's great is you may want to start a business online and you may want to make money online, but you have no idea what to sell, what to offer. Well, we actually have a program that is free. You'll just fill out all of your information here, get started. We actually send you $1 to get started. The first company ever in history to pay you to get started online, which is fantastic as far as an affiliate company goes. So you can become an affiliate with us here at SalesVision. All you have to do is go to winwithryan.com and play our business games. That is the great thing about it. We are SalesVision business games. All you do is play games and learn how to run a business. It is literally you playing a game creates a business in real life, which is really great. And you get to manifest it however you want that business to be. Have a wonderful night. Thank you so much for staying with me. Again, winwithryan.com. Have a wonderful night.